6-year-old Ismail enjoys playing cricket with his friends despite having one hand that is mostly paralyzed. The news that Ismail's condition was caused by polio contracted years ago was difficult for his family to accept.
Because his hand and leg are disabled, he cannot play with kids his age. We are devastated. Of course, if a boy or girl faces such a problem, the whole family would be concerned about it.
Ismail's father, a laborer, says that his family is extremely worried since doctors have warned that Ismail's condition could get worse. The United Nations says insecurity and war in Afghanistan are the main reason the country still remains one of the two, the other being Pakistan, where polio is still a major medical concern. Ismail's father agrees.
The fighting was going on and we couldn't stay in our place and were displaced. We would go from one place to another and therefore our children did not get their vaccination.
A UNICEF spokesperson said Kamal Shah told VOA that since the end of the war in Afghanistan, polio workers have gained access to all areas of Afghanistan, making it simpler to aim for the complete eradication of poliovirus in the country.
In Afghanistan, progress has been made in this area. Campaigns are run in all parts of the country. Now we have access to the remote areas where children would remain unvaccinated in the past.
The UN says there have been only 2 cases of naturally occurring polio, called wild polio, so far this year compared to 4 in Afghanistan in 2021. That drop means that a polio-free world is within reach.
Physicians consider it positive in our lives. We have the same opinion, and Sharia allows it because human beings should take measures to be healthy.
While it is too late for Ismail, his father urges everyone in his community to make sure to give their children polio drops. For Abu Bakr Alizai in Jalalabad, Afghanistan, Roshan Nurzai, VOA News.